Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Let's compute the antiderivative of this given trigonometric function using the substitution rule. For this video, we are tasked to find the antiderivative of the integral of negative of sine of 3x minus 1 dx using the substitution rule. This is the same item in the previous video. Please check that for your own consumption, where we had the answer at this item: 1/3 of cosine of 3x minus 1 plus c. This was the result in the previous video. Let's verify this here using the substitution rule. To start, let's take out the -1 or the negative sign because it's a constant multiple, having here sine of 3x minus 1 dx. For substitution rule, we're going to let this angle here for trigonometric function be equal to u, so that instead of x and instead of that binomial expression, our function now would become sine u. But since we still have dx here, we need to rewrite dx in terms of u. We can do that by deriving both sides of this equation with regards to their corresponding variables. U becomes du, 3x becomes 3 dx, and minus 1 becomes 0. That would mean dx dividing through both sides is 1/3 du. That's the same thing. We need to add here, or multiply rather, 1/3 of du. Next is to move out 1/3, because 1/3 is a constant multiple. Then we have here sine u du. Now we don't have any binomial expression as a angle of the trigonometric function. For this, it's easily connected to the integral of sine x dx, which would give us negative cosine x plus c. But instead of x, we have u. So this here, negative 1/3 times the integral of sine u du is negative cosine u plus c. Okay? Now with this, distributing negative 1/3, you will have here positive 1/3 cosine of u minus 1/3 c. But since c is just a representation for any constant, let's leave it plus c. This is the result after the substitution. But since u is not originally given, going back here, u is actually 3x minus 1. Using that, let us have here the final answer, 1/3 of cosine of your u, which is 3x minus 1 plus c. This is then the final answer. Comparing that to the answer previously discussed in the previous video using the chain rule on the same item, we have the same result: 1/3 of cosine 3x minus 1 then plus c. So you can see here that both answers using chain rule and substitution rule are the same. So it's up to you now which you'll be using in specific situations, unless you are required to specify the rule or you are required to use a specific rule. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now